Sending money to India using Remitly is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can send money to India using Remitly. So for that, I'm at my browser and I'm going to search for Remitly. So as you guys can see, I will go to their home website. Now here you have to log into your account first. After logging into your account, you will see these options. Now here you have to select where you want to send money. So I just selected India already. You can select any other country as well. So by default it should be your country. So you just have to select India from here and you will see this page. And now here you have to enter the amount of money that you want to transfer to India. And after that you have to click on continue. And here you will see the bank account in which they will receive. So you just have to select any of the bank account in which they should receive. And after that, there's a small process. You just need to select the things. So at the very end, you will easily be able to send money to India using Remitly. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.